This is how you play the E flat major scale, 2 octaves, hands separate. Starting in your left hand, you're going to start on black key E flat. Then you'll play 2 white keys, F, G, and then you'll play 2 black keys, A flat, B flat, then 2 white keys again, C, D, and then end it with E flat on top. For the fingers, you're going to start on your 3 finger, and you're going to play 3, 2, 1. On A flat, you're going to use your 4 finger to cross over and play 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you're back at E flat, so you're going to use the same fingers on the same notes again, 3, 2, 1. And then on A flat, use your 4 to cross over again, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 3 on E flat at the top, just like the beginning. Let's say our finger numbers as we play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross, 3, 2, 1, cross, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross, 3. Get ready to cross, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 1, 2, 3, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 1, 2, 3. Let's turn the metronome to 60. See how exam ready we are. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, go tay. In the right hand, you're going to use the exact same notes, so we're going to focus on fingers. Just like left hand, you're going to start on your 3 finger, and then you're immediately going to cross under and use 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the next white key, you're going to cross under again and use 1, 2, 3. And that brings you back to the beginning. So you're ready to cross under again, just like you did last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again on the white key, you're going to cross under again. 1, 2, 3. Let's say our finger numbers as we go. Remember, once you approach a black key going to a white key, you cross under. Coming down, it's a white key going to a black key you're going to cross. So once you have that division of white to black or black to white, that's when you cross. 1 tay, 2 tay. No, we're saying finger numbers, sorry. 1, 2, 3, say your fingers. 3, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. 1, 2, 3, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, cross with 4. 4, 3, 2, cross with 3. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross, 3. Sorry, I got thirsty. Now let's turn on the metronome. See how exam ready we are. Remember, cross under immediately because it goes black to white. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, go tay. This is how you play an E flat major arpeggio, 2 octaves, hands separately. Just like any arpeggio, you need the first note, the third note, and the fifth note of a scale to play its arpeggio. In E flat's case, this is E flat, G, and B flat. Since there are two black keys on the outside and a white key on the inside, you're going to use your thumb, your one finger on the white key. You're going to use your 2 and 4 fingers on the black keys. For left hand, we're going to start on the 2, and then 1 on the white key, G, and then since this is the other black key, use your other finger, 4. And that brings you back to E flat to do it all again. So play 2, 1, 4, and then that brings you to E flat again. So land on your 2 like you started on in the beginning. Let's say our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4. Again, 2, 1, 4, 2 on top. 2, 4, 1, 2. Again, 4, 1, 2. As I turn on the metronome, practice that arm sweeping movement. So you get the feel of your arm in constant movement. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay. Move that arm. It doesn't look like it, but the arm is keeping constant movement to stay with the notes it's playing. For the right hand, it's going to be the exact same note names, E flat, G, B flat. So we're going to focus on our finger numbers. Just like the left hand, you're going to use your 1 on the white keys. You're going to use your 2 and 4 on the black keys, but because the hands are opposite, instead of starting on 2, we're going to start on 4. Then use your 1 on the white key, and since we're approaching the other black key, use your other finger, 2. That brings us to E flat again, so do the exact same thing. 4, 1, 2. And then that brings us up to the top, so use your 4, because that's what you started on. Let's say our finger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4. Now practice that slow arm staying in motion as I turn on the metronome. And let's see how exam ready this is. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay. Keep that arm moving. Now it's going to move to the left. Very slow motion, but constant. Just like practice. Slow progress, but constant progress. This is how you play the E flat major primary triads, hands together. Just like any primary triad, you need to start with the 1 chord, which uses the same notes as the arpeggio, E flat, G, B flat. And there's your 1 chord. Now to move chords, we're going to have to use the black keys from the scale. To move to your 4 chord, keep your bottom note, E flat, but the top 2 notes move up. G moves up to A flat. Notice I'm using my 2 finger in my left hand. E flat moves up to C. And there's your 4 chord. Sounds triumphant. To get to your 5-7, keep your middle note, A flat the same, but switch to your 4 finger in your right hand. The top and bottom notes are going to move down. E flat moves down to D. C moves down to B flat. Got a little crunch of tension in the 5-7 because your chopstick notes up That's your 5-7. Now to get back to your 1, keep your top note B flat, but then your other 2 notes are going to move toward one another. So D moves up to E flat, A flat moves down to G, and you're back to 1. Let's play through that progression, saying how the chords move. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start on 1. Top 2 move up. Outside move down. Bottom 2 toward each other. Now let's turn on the metronome. And while I'm turning on the metronome, practice that drop lift with your wrists. 1, 2, 3, 4.